Welcome to Ampry. In this video, we're going to cover how to add the Ampry pixel onto your WordPress website. So you'll see we're here in WordPress. What we're going to do is navigate to the plugins and add a new plugin. What we want to search for is header and footer scripts. You'll see there are a few different options here that say header and footer. This one has a lot of downloads, but it's untested. So what we're going to do is just download this one here that says that it's compatible with our version. Like I said, a lot of these are going to work with the Ampry pixel. So we'll go ahead and add that in there and activate it. So you'll see that that's now in there. So now we're going to go into our settings and insert header and footer. So let's go to Ampry site. We're going to go to the install pixel. It's going to pull this up. We're going to go ahead and copy the pixel from here and go back to our WordPress. And what we want to do is install this in the header script, and then we're going to go ahead and click save, and that's going to add that to your WordPress site. And that's it. Thanks for watching.